What up peeps? Welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm Shivangi Dutt. I'm a makeup artist professionally and this is my introduction video. Series on the channel will consist of a lot of random beauty, art, fashion, me related stuff and today I'm just gonna discuss beauty, okay? Beauty and makeup, what it means to me. And after I tell you what happened when I asked randomly people what beauty means to them, and I got answers like inner beauty, but like they didn't define what beauty means to them. It's just like inner beauty, but like what is beauty? No one knows. Or like glowing skin, or being confident, or being empowered, you know, stuff like that. I thought like it was pretty cool, you know, like people find beauty in more things than just superficiality, but then how many people actually apply that in their real life, I wonder. Anyway, for me, beauty comes in everything. It's like I just see so many things, it's just like beautiful. Even like when people are arguing, I find like some kind of beauty in the argument. I'm like, they're so passionate about what they're arguing about, you know, like they're so like, there's some beauty in that. Whereas, you know, like some people are repulsed by certain things and people use words like ugly. I kind of deleted words like hate and ugly from my life. Hate is kind of making its way back, but I keep telling it to go away. But ugly is something I don't often use and I don't like to hear it because it's subjective just as beauty is. So for me, makeup, as a makeup artist, it becomes a little bit hard because you're not seeing ugly, or like you're not searching for imperfections. Just as a part of your job, you know that okay, I need to cover this part of the face, but there's this thing that kind of like itches in the back, like there's actually nothing wrong, you know, and this person sitting in front of you is just like, oh, I've got these pimples, I just got them last night, can you please cover them up? But you know, when people would like complain about their pimples or having something wrong with their face features or something, I can't help but tell them that there's nothing wrong. Like I know, like I'm contouring your cheeks and making them look slimmer or whatever you want them to look like, but that's because, you know, makeup is we use that as a way. I don't know why it's instilled in our brains this way. Me, like I got asymmetric face, like you can even see this eyebrow going higher than the other one even though it's not supposed to, but that's life, that's beauty, okay? This is how we all look. We all are asymmetrical as fuck. Trust me, if you look at yourself hard enough, you'll just be like, what? Like not even one, like no left to right is the same. And it's completely insane. It's ridiculous how we're conditioned to believe that you know, like symmetry or like perfection exists. It doesn't. It literally does not. Am I chatting too much shit? Because this channel is not gonna just be me chatting shit, it is gonna be like cool makeup stuff, right? But I just felt like as an introduction I should just talk you guys into it rather than just go straight at it, because I've been doing that on my Instagram already. So yeah, anyway, coming a little bit back to makeup and beauty. Makeup is interesting. It's not what it is now. It's like for everyone, makeup is like this Instagram thing. Let's pick up influencers, let's blog, let's open our brand, which is super lit, man. Like I love the fact that like everyone, like I have guy friends who hit me up and they're like, dude, we watch your makeup videos and we don't even care about makeup, but like it's just fun to watch. And I'm just like, that's so fucking cool, man. Like you guys, like naturally, like most Indian guys are not putting makeup on. Most guys are not putting makeup on a daily basis. You know, most guys are not even grooming themselves, honestly. I appreciate guys who do, but whatever, each to their own. And they're watching that, right? So makeup is really reaching out to people, which is super sick. The industry is expanding, but at the same time, it's kind of narrowing people's minds or idea of beauty, certain people, at least large amount, I would say, because like the people I meet and the way they behave or the way they talk about like makeup and beauty is just so fucking retarded to me, man. Like, why are you so conditioned by what the world or society has made you think? Like, does no one want to think beyond that? Like, does no one want to question why the hell this is considered beautiful and this isn't? Like, why are you finding this beautiful and not this? Do you not question yourself? So basically, I just started a bunch of stuff that I was just thinking and feeling, and I just wanted to say that if you guys did get to the end of it, I'm glad that you did. I'm really happy that y'all sat and watched me chat. I'm going to be putting more makeup related stuff, but I do like to chat about the stuff that I'm thinking, because sometimes it's really hard to find people who resonate with what you think, and I think the camera is a pretty nice friend to have to chat to, because you just talk and it don't say shit. But anyway, stay tuned for more stuff. Thanks for watching my introduction to my YouTube, and please like, share, subscribe. Lol, I never thought I'd actually say those things. But anyway, my Instagram, my Facebook, no, not my Facebook, my Instagram, my Instagram is here. That's all I have. Cool. So if you did like this, guys, then stay tuned, subscribe, because I will be posting very regularly.